Hello, my name is Sarah Webster. I am applying for the MYP middle school position. I want to thank you for your time, for watching this video and learning a little bit about me. I have been teaching for 10 years. I am a middle school teacher right now and also a STEAM coordinator for a school in Hanoi. I teach grades pre-K through 8, and I co-teach and help teach all other subjects as well. I plan professional development for the school, and I also set up a STEAM studio, which is a science, technology, engineering, arts, and math studio where students can go in and use that as a maker space and design space. I am familiar with MYP in that it is a creative process where students are driven from their interests and follow certain rubrics and guidelines to make sure that they are hitting the appropriate levels of mastery. I follow the next generation science standards in my class, which are used worldwide as well. And those allow students to be able to look into science from a bigger perspective and learning a lot deeper the content rather than just memorizing for a test. I would be very happy to meet everyone at the school and help grow this really exciting and new program. I think that this adventure sounds like it would be something that I would excel at and be able to help and teach others how to run the program. I also am a Teach Now instructor at an online university. It's called the Teach Now Graduate School of Education. I am an instructor where I teach candidates from all over the world how to become teachers, and I help them get their teaching certificate in Washington, D.C. So if you had a teacher at your school that was not certified, they could go through the program. It's a 9-month program where they would get a teaching certificate in the United States. I look forward to meeting you all and hearing from you, and I hope this helps. I also wanted to tell you a little bit about my family. I would be coming with my son and my daughter. Both would be attending the school. I am very excited about that. And I also would be coming with my husband. He does teach some English classes, and he also is an IT director. He has worked in systems administration and IT for about 8 years and is currently pursuing his bachelor's degree. So thank you so much for your time.